all eyes on safety. The intelligent safety systems in the Opel Insignia are alert. The Opel Eye front camera helps detect potential hazards ahead. Lane Keep Assist gives you an audible and visual warning if you unintentionally start drifting out of your lane. If you don't react in time, the system gently intervenes to get you back on track. Via radar, the Insignia not only detects vehicles, but pedestrians too, initiating automatic emergency braking if you get too close to someone on the road ahead. The head-up display helps keep your eyes on the road by projecting key information and safety alerts on the windscreen in your field of view. Stop-and-go traffic isn't a problem with autonomous follow assist. This next-generation cruise control adapts your speed to the traffic ahead. The system autonomously brakes and accelerates to maintain the set distance to the vehicle in front. If the road is clear, the system automatically accelerates back up to your set speed. All eyes on safety. The intelligent safety systems in the Opel Insignia.